We saw a fantastic entry opportunity at the end of last week, and we are already seeing the gains in the crypto market. Right here, let's say we entered at the bottom of this candle where we got that blue dot. The price of Bitcoin has already moved up about 5%. Now, that might not sound like a lot, but where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the altcoins are likely to move 2 to 3 times. And this was reflected in the charts. Now, that's not exactly what's happening anymore. And today we're going to talk about exactly what's happening. Let's jump into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and as of today, our traders have earned 314 wins with 0 losses in our membership trades over the last 32 months. Last week on Friday, we talked about 7 altcoins that we could see moving 40 to 60% very soon. Not even a few hours later, exactly that played out. We saw massive moves in the altcoin market. We saw Bitcoin dominance drop. We saw altcoins take off, and now we are seeing the opposite. Bitcoin's value is increasing while a lot of altcoins, not all of them, but quite a few, are seeing a decrease in value. This, of course, is putting Bitcoin's dominance higher, but we know that this should only be temporary. Once we see the next top out in Bitcoin and drop, and the value of Bitcoin itself drops, if we can see altcoins take off, we may get another little altcoin season. I want to show you what we're talking about. Let's take a look at ICP. Where did it go? Here we are. Guys, over the past few days, let's say the past week, ICP pumped an insane amount. We saw this little buy signal here. Actually, let's take a look at what the market cycle highs and lows. If you can see a blue value showing caution, another ideal entry opportunity. From this candle, the close of this candle right here with the green dot posted to the top, 239% move up. Green dots move up, green dots move up, super reliable signals. So this is why we use these new combination of indicators. Down here, we got concern right after this green dot. Once we moved back into caution, got the green dot, this showed upwards momentum was coming into the market. Trader sentiment was improving, and we saw massive pumps. Right now, XRP is moving up about 7.65%. We didn't end up getting a buy signal here, but we did see mild caution with a move up. Mild caution right here, green dot, crazy move to the upside, potentially even more than what we're seeing right now. Let's find another one. Uniswap, only about 6%, but we got that blue caution signal, 2 green dots, and we see that move up. 8% on render. Fear, green dot, massive move up. Guys, when we are below neutral in this zone, you're going to want to look in the past, depending on which coin you're trading. A lot of them will only trade within mild caution and caution. Some of them will drop into concern or even fear. If we can find any of these along with a green dot, almost regardless of the coin we are trading, you are going to see major moves up. Green dot right in the bottom of caution, we got that move up. Easy as that. So as we look at Bitcoin, we see mild caution, we see a green dot, we got that move up. As this plays out, this is exactly what we're going to want to see on the next signal. We make it super easy with these indicators, guys. You're going to want to head to the alerts tab, click create alert, switch the price down to the pro trade manager. You're going to look for a long entry and short take profit. Once rebar closing, click create. This alert will let you know when the next green dot hits. Very exciting to see. Now, we know that purple is the main signal that we see on Bitcoin to signal bottoms using the market cycle highs and lows indicator. So we're going to go down to the market cycle highs and lows. We are going to look for a mild caution alert. Let's do caution because if that alert posts, guys, major moves are coming. So if we get a bright blue line showing mild caution, it means that sellers have been in control for quite some time and retailers may be getting scared. But where retail gets scared, this is where whales are looking to buy because they're taking advantage of sellers. You are whale buy liquidity if you are selling when the market drops. Whales are always going to try and buy the bottom, and that's why we try to trade with them, not against them. And we can do that with the Pro Trade Manager, with the market cycle highs and lows. We could do that on any time frame, not just the one day. We could do it on Bitcoin, altcoins, even stocks and commodities, physical gold and silver, and all of that. Guys, these indicators are absolutely crushing it, and they have called some amazing moves in our Telegram channel. Let me bring that up real quick. Here we are. We saw green dots again in XRP for an 11% move. Let's check out some more analysis. If you're in Filecoin, pay close attention to the 2-hour market cycle high and low because we pushed into extreme greed, max euphoria for a 177% move up. This in our Telegram was where we were talking about Bitcoin dominance, just like we did earlier. S&P 500, or the SPY, closes today in the lower section. If this saw a green dot, we likely saw moves up. Now, this looks like alt season, guys. We saw insane moves up. This is all predicted using these two indicators. Now, if you're a member with Trade Confident, you're going to get a lot of money making benefits. I'm talking trade setups that we call for you, future forecast coaching videos, and more. On top of that, our members get massive discounts on the indicators. So let me show you how you're going to access that. Links are in the description down below. Membership is the second link. Click that and it's going to bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. That is less than $50 to get started. Head to the indicator tab, and now that you're a member, you're saving $150 each off of our AI indicators, the Pro Trade Manager, the market cycle highs and lows. I didn't show you the volume bubbles in this one. Guys, if you purchase our older Pro Pack or TC Top and Bottom Finder, you're going to get an insane 60% off. Just send us an email in betradeconfident@gmail.com with your purchase email for 60% off. We'll give you the coupon codes. You're saving major money. With that in mind, thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for the last future forecast video and the next one coming out tomorrow. Don't miss out.